Hello, Jay Weaver with Labors of Love Birth Center. This is the fourth gutter person I got to come out and give me an estimate. Pierre or Peter with Amaru Gutters. I am very happy and excited that I chose him. Very professional. He's got a machine that will do gutters between, I think, 4, 5, or 6 inches. He gave me the 5-inch ones, and he's very professional. He's been cleaning up after himself as he goes. I'm very, very pleased that I chose him. He gave me a very good price compared to everybody else. The quality of his workmanship and gutters has been outstanding. I did choose to have the gutter guard section put on it so I don't have to clean these gutters. He also said he would extend my downspouts for me to pull the water away from the house. He also uses a level to make sure the flow of the gutters are doing the way their water's going the way they're supposed to be going. I'm very happy about that. Told him as soon as we get through here, he will be coming to my house to upgrade my gutters there, as they are too small, so I'm very excited about that. I highly recommend you give Peter a call if you need new gutters put on. 864-999-1684. Again, I'm very pleased with him and the work he is doing. I highly recommend Amaru Gutters.